Hello friends, welcome to N Universe Double 2. In this video, we will discuss about variation of viscosity with temperature. So let's start. Variation of viscosity with temperature. Temperature affects the viscosity, and the viscosity of fluid is due to two causes. First one is due to intermolecular cohesion, and second is due to transfer of molecular momentum. And with rise or increase in temperature, viscosity of liquid decreases and viscosity of gases increases. And the main reason behind viscosity of liquid decreases, now we will discuss about this reason. In case of liquid, the molecules are very close to each other and therefore more cohesion exists. Hence in liquids, the viscosity is mainly due to intermolecular cohesion, and the intermolecular cohesion forces decrease with increase in temperature, and hence the viscosity of liquid decrease. The following formula shows the dependence of viscosity of a liquid on temperature. Mu equal to mu naught into 1 upon 1 plus alpha t plus beta t square. Here mu is the viscosity of liquid at T degree Celsius in poise. Mu naught is the viscosity of liquid at 0 degree Celsius. Alpha and beta are constants for liquid, and the value of these variables for water, mu naught that is equal to 1.79 into 10 raised to power minus 3 poise, and this is equal to 0.0179 poise, and value of alpha that is 0.03368, and value of beta 0.000221. In cases of gas, the interspace between the molecule is large. The interspace between the molecule is large, hence so the intermolecular cohesion is negligible in case of gases. In gases, viscosity is mainly due to molecular momentum exchange. This is due to molecular momentum exchange. The viscosity depends mainly on transfer of molecular momentum in a direction normal to the flow. As the temperature increases, molecular momentum transfer increases. Hence the viscosity increases in case of gases. Holman gave the following expression for the viscosity of a gas: mu equal to mu naught plus alpha t minus beta t square. And here mu is the viscosity of gas at T degree Celsius in poise. Mu naught is the viscosity of the gas at 0 degree Celsius in poise. Alpha and beta are constant for the gas, and the value of this variable for air, mu naught equal to 1.7 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Newton second per meter square, or 0.000017 poise, and value of alpha that is 0.56 into 10 raised to power minus 7, and value of beta that is 0.1189 into 10 raised to power minus 9. So in this video we discussed about variation of viscosity with temperature and the main causes on which the viscosity that depends. There are basically two main variables. The first one is the intermolecular cohesion, second is the molecular momentum, and at last we find out that the viscosity of liquid that decrease with increased temperature, and viscosity of gases increase with rise in temperature. If you like this video, share among your friends and students. Subscribe to get more videos on more topics and Universe Double 2. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.